Now, what are the sources of the capital receipts? First is borrowings. If the expenditure is much than the revenue that the government is earning, or the receipts that the government is gaining, it borrows either from the public by selling shares, or it may borrow from the Reserve Bank of India, like we studied in banking, that government also maintains an account with the Reserve Bank of India, that is a central bank of the country. It may sometimes take loans also from the central bank, so it may borrow from the central bank also. So it may borrow from the public by selling shares, it may borrow from the central bank of the country, or it may borrow from the other foreign governments or international monetary funds or IMF or World Bank also. Okay, next is recovery of loans. Many a times when the government grants loans to various other state governments and other local bodies and anything, when these loans are recovered, it is a kind of capital receipt for the government. Next, other receipts are disinvestment. As the public sector units are run by the government, they own a certain part of the shares of the public sector units. In this way, they own the public sector units. Okay. Now, what is disinvestment? When a part of these shares are sold to the private enterprises, it is called disinvestment. When a part of the shares of the public sector units are sold to the private sector, it is called disinvestment. That means the ownership is being transferred from the hands of the government to the private sector. This is disinvestment. Next is small savings. Small savings means like when funds are raised from the public, like from post office savings account, then Kisan Vikas Patra, National Savings Certificate, that is NSC certificates. When funds are raised from the public through these sources, these are called the small savings. So these also come under the capital receipts. Disinvestment, it is a reduction of the assets, because the shares were in the name of the government or the public sector units through which they owned the units. Now when they are selling it to the private sector, that means ownership is being transferred. Okay, so this is again a reduction in the assets. Recovery of loans. Borrowings. Borrowings is a kind of liability. When they borrow either from the central bank or from the public or from from the foreign governments or World Bank or International Monetary Fund, anything. When they borrow, it's kind of a liability. So these are the sources of the capital receipts of the government. Okay. In next day we will be doing expenditure part. Okay. Thank you.